Hi everyone! In today's video, I will tell you how to take care of spider hibiscus flower plant in pot. This plant grows best in well-drained loamy soil, 50% garden soil, 40% vermicompost, 10% river white sand, 50 grams of bone powder should be mixed together to prepare potting soil. If it is rainy season, mix a teaspoon of fungicide with the soil. This flower plant should be planted in at least 10-inch pots. This plant grows best in large containers. This flower plant is easily propagated by cuttings. The time for growing new plants from cuttings is March to October. It is better not to use any fertilizer within 1 to 2 months of planting the plant in the container. After a few months, it is better to give a little organic fertilizer. Banana peels, eggshells, vermicompost can be used as organic fertilizers. The plant pot should be kept in a place where it receives direct sunlight for at least 6 to 8 hours.